Air fryer French fries. That's what we're making today. Now, you can make these with regular potatoes or sweet potatoes. I haven't made them with sweet potatoes, but I would imagine they would turn out just great. You're gonna need a couple potatoes. I'm using Trader Joe's onion salt. This does a great job of flavoring them with just a little bit of olive oil. Now, I'm gonna cut my fries with this handy dandy gadget here. If you don't have one, you wanna try and get your French fries as uniformly cut as possible. So with this gadget, look how nice that cuts the fries. So I'm making a small batch today, and there we go. So we're just gonna rinse these. I like to rinse them twice. So if you look at all the starch in there. I like to rinse that off the potato. It just makes a cleaner French fry. Like I said, we do this twice. All right, so we rinse fries. I like to do it in this bowl because I can shake them easier. So, a little bit of olive oil. Mix that in good. You just want to make sure that your French fries are covered pretty good. So, a little more olive oil. And Trader Joe's. Now a lot of the seasoning rubs off, so I like to put a little extra. That way I don't have to salt them after the fact. I like the salt to just cook right on them. So that looks pretty good right there. Let's get these to the air fryer. Alright, we get these right in the air fryer. I just dumped them in. What we want to do is kind of spread them out just a little bit in here. We're going to get our lid on. We're going to hit air fry 380 for 25 minutes and start. Now we're going to turn these and flip them about halfway just to make sure we get all sides covered well. I know it's an air fryer and it kind of moves, but I like to shake them and at least free them up from the bottom of the pan. So 13 minutes approximately, we'll get these shaken. All right, with 12 minutes left, we're going to get this lid off. And I promised you we were going to shake these. These are starting to look really good there. So we just want to give them a good shake. Make sure they're not stuck. And kind of just spread them back out. And that's it. With this air fryer, we just put the lid back on. And it starts right back up. This is the Instapot air fryer. Alright, so the air fryer French fries are done. Take a look at those. Alright, so these things look delicious. Take a good look at these. Now, the only extra thing we need here is whatever you garnish your fries with. I like a little ketchup or a lot of ketchup. And I'm going to put a little of this stuff on here because my wife loves this yum yum sauce. It's actually a Japanese steak, chicken, shrimp dressing. So basically it's a jack of all trades of Japanese sauce. So let's get a taste of these fries. I'm not going to go with the yum yum sauce. I'm going to go with the old standby ketchup. I like a lot of ketchup. Now, I got to tell you, I'm not really a French fry lover. Like, if I go to McDonald's, I'll eat a couple fries. Normally, any kind of restaurant, I'll eat a couple fries while they're hot. That's it. These right here, I can smash some French fries. So, I hope you try them. I hope yours turn out as good as mine did. I'm going to finish this plate off. Actually, with this yum yum sauce, my wife's going to help me. But we are going to finish this plate of French fries. And I hope to see you back. I appreciate you watching. Click that thumbs up. Like my video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And thanks for watching.